Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝐚𝐮𝐭𝐤. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix Windows 10 disk checkup on a startup. So whenever you start your Windows 10 machine, you get a message, disk checkup, and to skip disk checking, press any key within 6 seconds or 8 seconds. And this is really annoying because every time you open your PC, you get the same message. I'm not going to share the problem, how exactly it occurs and what happens, so I'm directly sharing the solution with you guys that you need to apply, and within few seconds the problem will be fixed. And now for the solution, we need to open the registry editor on the Windows PC. So for that, press Windows and R key to bring up the run box. That would be coming at the left hand corner. Now here you have to type regedit, 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 and then click on OK. So the registry editor will now be coming up, and now just simply follow the instructions, follow the path that how I am opening. You have to do in the same way. Even I will leave the path in the description. So now here you'll see 𝐻Key local machine. Just click on it, double click, then double click on system, then on current control set, then on control, and now here you'll see the list of all the values. So now click anywhere and then click the S key because we need to look for session manager. So make a double click on it here. And now once you make a double click on it, all the values will be highlighted on the right hand side. Now here look for boot execute, and now make a double click on it. You will see this file, the data would be coming up here. Now here we have to add some value. So simply look into it. Now where it says auto check, then click here and then give a space and then type /, then K:/C. Okay, so this is what you have to add between the star, the asterisk, and after CHK. All right, you can see that. I will also leave this code in the description. You can simply copy and paste here and then click on OK, and now you are all set. After that, close it and simply restart your PC, and you will find that this disk option now won't be coming up on your PC. Hopefully this will help you guys, and if yes, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.